And, so in and of itself, we're not supposed to be alarmed by this, but at the same time, it is alarming to see so much concentration within so few companies. And I think probably most notable is that this concentration is really being driven primarily by one company, NVIDIA. And I think it's probably interesting to note that, yesterday NVIDIA did an announcement with OpenAI, and that announcement was they're going to be essentially investing in OpenAI, and then OpenAI is going to be using that money to buy more NVIDIA chips.
It's a big circle of love, isn't it?
And so I kind of look at this as this deal between NVIDIA and OpenAI as just another version of financial engineering. So instead of buying back your own stock, now you're just giving people money so that they can buy your product. And it's just kind of I think a little shocking that they're so bold about it. And I think the good news is the market didn't like it necessarily.
The quote that I saw was that basically what they've laid out is $1 trillion of spending.
Wow.
How are they going to finance $1 trillion infrastructure build out? So they're one company that has no profit is going to spend $1 trillion. I mean, it just sounds,
well, it's laughable.
bizarre. Yeah.
And this is kind of an interesting way to support your sales figures, but very dangerous. And I think the market, or at least, maybe certain market participants kind of see through that.
But as an investor, it's bizarre. If you're the only game in town, why are you giving them money? Don't give them a discount.
And so that's why I think this chart is so alarming from that perspective in light of this recent news. It is certainly the largest concentration within the S&P 500. And I would venture to guess if any other company in this list started giving money to other companies so that they could buy their own product or services, my guess is those companies would really tank, and you see some pretty big valuation. It's now you're being punished for trading with them if you're buying US goods, or if you're selling your US goods into the US, you're now being punished for that. So it's created this extra layer of well, even though it is a little cheaper over there, we're not benefiting the way we were benefiting before.
Yeah.
So you're essentially providing the green light and the great excitement for capital flows to invest in those people as they coalesce back in their homelands to say, hey, it is the internet, by the way. The whole point of it was that you could be doing this work from anywhere in the world.
Come over here, and we're just giving up a competitive advantage we have, it would seem.
U.S. electricity price, average U.S. city electricity price. So this is the backdrop of what is happening because of all this demand that's being driven by the data centers.